Hello, welcome back. I've figured out what the issue was with the first two green items, is that on the false variable I had green selected. So I'm just going to unselect green, and I missed a colour, green, blue, yellow. So I had green selected instead of yellow, and I'm just going to change it on this second one too. So untick green and tick yellow. So these are the incorrect drop locations, and I think the third one was actually right. So we've got blue, purple and yellow. Okay, so let's preview this again and it should work. So let's see, I'm just going to test the green ones. So that's true and that's false, and that's true and that one's true. Okay, so that one's working. Just check this one, and that's true and that's false. So that one's working too. So all I have to do now is add a trigger to my submit button. And I'm just going to go add new trigger, and I'm going to go show layer, well done when user clicks, and I'm going to add some conditions. So it's going to show the correct layer if blue 1 is true, and also all the other blues, and the third one, and then green, so all of these need to be true because we're saying that all the draggable items are in the correct location. So green and then purple, oops, forgot to add them all, purple and the last colour, yellow. Oops, let's change it to yellow 2 and yellow 3. Cool. Okay, so that's the correct layer. I can now delete, I'm just going to move off the screen my variables and oops, pop that back. And I'm just going to do the trigger for the incorrect layer. So I'm going to show layer not quite when you use the clicks, and I'm going to add some conditions. So I'm going to add pretty much all the same conditions, but I'm going to have false, and instead of having the and at the top, I'm going to have an or, and so I need to do that for all the colors, so change them all to or. So that means if any of the draggable items are in the incorrect place, then they'll get a not quite answer, equal to false or. So I'm just going to quickly finish this off, green 3. And finally the yellow, and or Cool, I'm just gonna double check all of those. Okay, so we preview. I'll just quickly put the correct answer together. And fingers crossed. Yes, so we've got the correct answer. And then if you got any wrong, it would show up the incorrect. So I'm just going to hide the instruction layer, So under base layer objects, I'm just going to hide the instruction on the feedback. I've done it on that one. So on the incorrect layer, I've put the correct response below so the learner can see where they've gone wrong, and I'm now going to move that off the screen, and that is how I create multiple drop locations for draggable items using variables. Thanks for watching.